All right, you guys, welcome to and welcome back. I am so Ronica, and I'm so ready to show you guys how I braided my hair this time. So I have been braiding my hair since I was about 15 years old. Probably, no, yeah, around about there. My older sister, one of my sisters taught me. Um, and so I just do this style. It's very simple. It's not really trendy, but it just keeps me out of my hair for a while, keeps me to where I don't have to worry about it. And this is my first time putting, some traces of blue in there, but I really been wanting blue for a long time. Um, but I don't do it to where it's overwhelming, like the whole head blue. I don't do that. I mean, I ain't gonna say I never would, but yeah, I could see myself doing like two different shades of blue, like a light blue then a dark blue. But that was the only blue they had available at that particular hair store. So anyway, I don't focus on trying to part the parts straight. I use my fingernails to kind of like pinch my way through and just braid it. The goal is to like, get the hair up in a protective style. So, for those of you who are interested in watching how I make clothes or how I do my nails, watching makeup videos, then you should hit the subscribe button because um, I'm learning how to do all of them. But I don't know, watching me, you might learn from my mistakes or whatever. But this style should last me for about 30 days. Okay. I don't really sleep with a bonnet or I don't wrap it up at night only because it's braided, like it's already protected. Um, but I'm just, I'm a year and a month into being natural. So my natural hair sometimes can be overwhelming.